Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can log into your Cablevision account. So let's jump right into the video. Open up a browser first and then search for Cablevision login. Then select the link which says cablevision.qc.ca online services Cablevision. And that will take you to the Cablevision official page where you need to enter your customer number or your email address and then enter your password. Then select I'm not a robot and simply hit submit. And that's how you log into your Cablevision account. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we post a video. And if you still have any questions or doubts, be sure to let us know in the comments down below. And thank you for watching and have a great day.